Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. Hopefully you guys got some good deals during the Prime days. They still have it going on now. So definitely check these guys out. And my affiliate link will be down below. All I gotta do is click on that. See what goodies they have to offer. And we'll see what's inside. So here we go. Oh boy, that has got some weight to it. There we go. Got that box out of the way. Hulkman. Hulkmania? Hulk Hogan? Oh baby. I have no idea what this is. Whoa. Check this out. Hulkman. What is this? Power converter? Or something? Something to do with power? What is called the Hulkman? Hulkman. Oh baby. Alpha Pro. Power. Alright. And that thing is heavy. Nice packaging. Nice box. Let's take a look inside. Do some surgery right now. Alright. Rip this out. So definitely check them out. Be good for having in your car, your truck, whatever you use. Take this on the road with you. You never know, you could help somebody. Also, how do I get these out? Slip cover, alright. Fancy dancy. Hulkman. Alright, so connect, ready, go, start your car. I just got a brand new battery, so my car is golden. Hulkman jump starter. Okay. Make the power different. Hey. If you like stickers, we got stickers. Engine start. That's a pretty cool one. Hit the road, Jack. Don't come back no more. I'm gonna add this thing. It got some weight to it. Oh, here's the jumper cables. We got a travel satchel for your cigarette adapter. We got a cable, USB, for your phone or tablet or whatever you need to be charging if you ever get stranded. Hopefully that doesn't happen to you guys. It has happened to me many moons ago. Not a good experience, but I never had a Jumpman, Hulkman on standby. I wish I did though. So here we go. Great for Christmas gifts for your father, grandfather, whoever, or anyone that drives in your family, even the females. Got the red, got the black, so NWO Hulk, and red, light, and blue Hulk. But these are nice. What is this, like a lock? Oh, it's like a connect or a holder. It's gold plated. That's where you plug it in. Right there. Jump your vehicle. I think I should take off the plastic. If I can find it. But yeah, definitely check them out, guys. And see see what other things they have. You never know. There we go. Let me take the screen protector off. There's a screen protector right there. Just peel it. Oh yeah, nice. This looks nice. 2000A 74WH. Here's that. Got the LED light on the side. Here's the bottom. But this would definitely be good to go on the road. There's where we put the jumper cables. So you just connect. Boom. Like that is connecting there. It's pretty bright. Whoa. 80%. Okay, SOS. Oh. Some nice LEDs. There we go. Fine. So pretty simple. Like I said, my battery doesn't need to be charged at all. And I don't have any extra batteries around. We'll make it happen. If I can open this up. There we go. There's the other. So yeah, definitely a nice one, guys. Check them out. I'll leave the link below, and you guys could place your order right now. Be safe. Have a good weekend. See you guys soon.